Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I am bringing you a process video starting point. So I have here a page kit that I have put together using, I believe this was Maggie Holmes, one of her summer lines that she had. And I had like only a few pieces left of everything, and so I actually made individual page kits out of them to kind of just have some fun and do some different things. So this is one that I put together. I took her sheet that she had all the words, and I'm using these as titles. So I have this Let's Summer. These are going to be some pictures I am going to document. So these are just us at the beach having some fun. I'll probably just pick like 1 or 2 photos for this, or like, you know, only maybe do this one for this kit. I'm not sure yet, but those are the ones that I'm working with. I also have some of these sticker or whatever these are, little flowers from that collection. I have a whole bunch of stuff. I had like this couple pieces left of the chipboard, so I put them on these and put them in the kit, and then that's it. So I just kind of matched the colors that I was using. I have some cut aparts from this kit that I'm gonna just throw in there and just use. I have some of these like circles and some of the shells because we are at the beach. So I figured it was perfect to incorporate those. I have this sheet right here from the 6x8 sheet. So I will try to use that. And then I also have this little bird sheet, and then I have this one right here. Not sure how I'm going to incorporate these. I think what I might do is I might try to like cover that up and possibly like use that. Who knows? We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But I'm going to go ahead and play around, and I will show you guys what I come up with. And basically this is going to be just using this stuff right here. And that's it. So I will be back and I will show you guys what my process is on this page. All right, everyone, I am back, and I so far have everything kind of where I want it to be. So I knew I wanted to have this white and black background kind of bordering the page. I added in this pink and then this lighter pink, and I know it doesn't match exactly with the pink, but I'm okay with that. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just my starting point. So I went ahead and I glued all of that down to kind of make my base, and then I have this piece of like the like greenish blue, I guess, bird paper, and I am just kind of playing around with my setup here. So I really like that. I put Let's Summer on the side. I cut all that out. I do need to add like a little apostrophe right there. The apostrophe just didn't, it like got cut off in the paper, so we'll work on that. I want to do a cluster of things up here, down here, and maybe like right here and right here, just to kind of have some fun with some of the papers. And I'm thinking I'm going to move these two. There we go. So one cluster is going to be up here, and I think I'm going to add this blue. This is like one of those like tickets that I had in my stash, and I'm just using them as layering pieces. So I'm going to add this to the side, And then I do have this you, me, and the sea. So I'm going to layer that on top, kind of like right next to it. And then I have a chipboard. So I'm going to add this chipboard up here as well. And let's see, I do have 2 of these. So I do want one on here and then one down here. And let me see if I could try to like figure out if this is gonna look right up here. There we go. Maybe I'll move this one down here or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. Super cute. Okay. Over here, I want to kind of do the same thing. So I have a piece of, I have this piece right here that I'm going to add over here as well, because we do have blue in there. And so I'm going to add that over there. And I'm going to add this one over here. Thinking I'm going to add, this is another chipboard piece. So I'm thinking I'm going to add this kind of like on top at a like cattywampus kind of way. Kind of like on top of the photo a little bit. And then down here, I want to add, this one's going to have 2 clusters of paper. So I'm going to add this piece right here. Ooh. Add this piece underneath here, just like that. Just to kind of bring in some more of that blue. And then I have this paper that is part of the cut aparts. So I'm going to cut this because it does have like a little bit of an edge. Probably cut this one down too. There we go. So I'm just going to kind of just layer that on top. I think, I don't know, I might do underneath. So I really don't want all of it showing. Maybe I'll do that. Okay. And then I have this word happy, and it's actually like it's actually see-through. So I am going to add that one on there just to kind of give it a little bit of a faded look. So you can't really see the photo as much. And then we do have our flower that we want to add down here. So I'm going to add that. And then I have chipboard here, and I have this camera that I want to add here as well because this is chipboard. So I'm just going to kind of put that on top there. And I know I'm covering up the blue. Actually, I might even try it right here. Let's see. Maybe I'll try it right there. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so we're going to do that. And then I do have these little clear stickers, and I'm going to use these as layering pieces. So I'm going to, I have a blue one and a yellow one. So I'm going to add the blue one over on this side. Or should I add it down here? You know what? I think I'm going to add it down here. Change of plan. So I think I'm going to add that down there, and then I'm going to add this yellow one on the side of this piece right here. Kind of as a cluster. That's it, just a cluster. And then I have these cut aparts that I had cut out, and I have some cameras, so I'm going to add these cut aparts. I know this page is getting a little busy, but I'm using everything that I have in the stash, and I think that'll be fine. So, and then I'm going to add this little shell guy right there, and then I'm going to add the camera right here probably. Okay, so that cluster is done basically. Now we're going to work on this cluster right here. I'm going to add some more of these cut aparts just to kind of give it a little bit of layering. And so we will add some of these We'll add this pink one underneath here, just like that. And then we have this yellow, I have a yellow bathing suit. So I'm just gonna add that kind of like on top of everything. Or yeah, I'll add it right there. And then we have another camera. So I don't want to add this camera down here because there already is one down there. So I'm just gonna add it right there. And then down here, I still have a couple more pieces of these cut aparts. So I'm going to add a big cut apart right here. It's kind of offsetting that. And then, let's see, I could try to do one right there. And I have this brown one, which I was going to just stick somewhere just to use it up, which I still might. That actually looks really good. And then I have this one right here that I'm going to add. There we go. So that is it, guys. I'm going to move it up and move it down. And what I love about doing this is that sometimes when you're building kits, you can use your stuff and make a kit like this that I made that is really just, okay, I want to use these things on this page. And if they all kind of go together, it turns out really great because then you can actually have a chipboard piece, a chipboard piece, a chipboard piece, and then, you know, a flower, flower, flower. And so that's the way that I like to look at clusters sometimes, is adding the embellishments in types. So that is like one way of doing it. So I'm going to get all this basically adhered down and we will come back. We'll probably do some finishing touches. I'm thinking I want to add some, I know I want to add the year. So probably right here is where the year is going to be, or down here. And I think I am going to add some enamel dots like up here somewhere. So this is what it'll look like. I'll show you guys after I am done adhering everything down. So I will be back. All right, I am back and I am completely done this layout. Now, I told you guys I didn't have an apostrophe for the Let's Summer. And I went into my stash and I found this sticker foam sheet, and this is in cinnamon. This is foams, and I like really used this one up. Let's see what year it's from. 2010. Okay. And it actually had like all these little dots because I was going to actually put enamel dots on here, but it had these foam dots. So I figured I would put like 3 on here, 3 up here, 3 here, and 3 down here. And then I decided I was going to put the year. And then I wasn't going to put July, but I kind of feel like I love how it turned out. And I had enough lettering for it. So I decided, why not go ahead and use up my letter stickers. So this is what it looks like. These are all the clusters that I have here. I popped this one up just to kind of bring in some of the yellow over here. And I didn't do it on the other sides, which is okay, but I do like how it turned out a lot. I love the little clusters up here. I love the little clusters down here and the clusters in the middle, and using this Let's Summer so as a title. But that is my layout. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's a little busy, but it is completed and I'm super excited to have this one done and documented. I still have a few more photos that I want to document, so I will put those aside and pick another layout. But the only thing that I have left from this page kit that I have is basically some scraps. So I have, let's just put this off to the side. I basically have this one right here, and I have this sheet, I have this piece, I have that piece, this one, and this long piece right here that still has some of the border on it, the border strip. So I will cut that off. And that's it, guys. That's all that I have left from this page kit that I made. And some of this will go into my scrap bin. I probably will not keep, these two pieces just because they are so tiny. So I will put those in my recycle, but this is what I have left. I mean, can't beat that. It's using up my stuff. And I have a new sheet to add another page kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to leave any comments, questions that you have down below. And also, what else? Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.